Do you know that every average Igbo man doesn't depend on his parents for the future survivors? Do you know that ndị Igbo in the time of immemorials have instituted the system of their education called Igba Odibo, which means apprentice? Do you know that ndị Igbo have produced a lot of graduates, if not annually? Do you know that ndị Igbo have built their university in the time of immemorials? Onitsha Main Market, Ariala International Market, and also Nnewi Machine Pass down to the western part of Nigeria called Trade Fair. Do you know that each year they produce a millionaire, even billionaire annually? If it combines all Nigerians' universities together, they not reach this 1/10. Every Igbo man believe on the apprentice Igba Odibo. Onye ka ọ ga-abụ ife onye Igbo ọ na-eje agba odibo ka o nwee ike ikwudonu. Ọnya bụ ife niile a na-akụziri ya n'odibo is likewise onye na-aga akwụkwọ na university, because ọ bụ na o si ebe ahụ pụta, ọ ebe ahụ ka ọ ji ekpebi ife ọ ga-abụ n'ọdịnihu. Likewise in the university, anybody who attended university, from there he will decide what she or he will become in the future. So therefore, anywhere you see an Igbo man or you saw an Igbo man, respect him, because every average Igbo man is equals to task. That is all I have to say. Please, if this video is very interesting, please try to share it. Follow me and tell me your opinion. Don't hesitate to join me on my YouTube. Add and on your link notification bell so that anytime you come across my post, you can able to watch it. I am still your humble servant, Maazi-UC. Ụmụnne m, ewo.